Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Sergey from Russia and I improve my English with this YouTube channel. Today I wanna tell you about plugin from MotionVFX company called mLut. I know many of you know about this plugin and use it a lot, but for those people who don't know about this plugin and who don't know how they can make preview of LUTs in Final Cut, I will try to explain how use this plugin. Okay, you can download it absolutely free from MotionVFX.com, and this plugin installs with a standard application called Min Installer, and you can see I have this plugin installed. And then when you open your timeline, and for example you can apply LUT to this or that clip, you have to open video panel, and you have here mLut category and only one effect here called mLut by MotionVFX. Okay, I will apply this plugin, and you can see settings of this plugin in the inspector. If you want, you can close inspector on the half height, and if you want to see more, you can click twice here at the top of inspector, and you will see all the settings. Okay, I don't want this panel to be opened, and I will close it. Okay, if you click here mLut presets, you can see three presets that downloaded in this plugin by default. So you click here and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 free LUTs. It's we can say that these LUTs are art LUTs, but we have special category called utility log to rec 709, and these LUTs are technical LUTs. If you have your footage, your video shooted in logarithmic color space, and if you want to transform it to rec 709, you can use this category. You have to to find your camera, and you can pick that or this or that LUT. For example, if you have Canon camera and it makes video in S-Log V2, you have to take this LUT. Okay, for example, I have logarithmic type of video, and I don't know really with what type of camera it was shooted, but I think maybe it is Airy camera, Airy Alexa. Let's try to use this technical LUT. I apply it, and oh no, we didn't apply a plugin to this clip. Let's do it. Okay, and so now I click here mLut presets. I go to the utility log to rec 709, and I check array. Okay, I think this is a good picture, and I think this LUT is good for this picture. If you like some LUTs, here you can assign them as favorite LUTs. You have to press by star here, maybe I want to have in favorite category these LUT. I press to star here, and if you want to see all your favorite LUTs, you have to press here. Okay, we have possibility to download, to import our LUTs to this plugin. A lot of free LUTs you can download from Google. You have to find them in internet, but the resolution of the LUT have to be .cube. I have a lot of free LUTs, and I will download it on the server, and I'm going to write a link to this LUT in the description of this video. Please check this link in the description. Okay, I have a folder of LUTs, and I want to import them here. For example, I have LUTs 3 folder. I choose all of these LUTs, import. You can see that this plugin asks us to choose category or make our own category, and let's do it. I press add new category, and I want it to be named as LUTs 3. Okay, then add and then import. In the bottom of this window you can see process of importing these LUTs. There are a lot of LUTs we imported, and we have some time. Okay, and then we should select that category, LUTs 3, but we can't do it because just now we have favorite category here. So I press to the star here, and then I choose LUTs 3, and there are a lot of interesting LUTs here, and you can choose one of these. We have applied LUT here, but I want to apply LUT for this picture, so I reset this LUT that was applied, and then mLut presets. I want to choose LUT 2. It's my category, and let's watch. Let's see what colors we have here and what types of LUTs. I think we will find the great grade here. Okay, I want something strange, dark. You know, there is a game Stalker about Chernobyl in the Ukraine, and I want the picture like that game. Something dark and scary, because this is a forest. It's not good that we can't see this picture here, and we should try one and another. Okay, no, maybe this one. Okay, okay. I press OK, and you of course can change intensity of this LUT by moving this checkpoint. As you know, we have this type of checkpoint in standard effect called custom LUT in Final Cut here. If you want to load custom LUT without importing it in this plugin, you have to press load custom LUT, and you should choose that LUT that you want and choose and apply. And if we use this button, we import LUTs in this plugin. So then we have levels settings, and we can change highlights, midtones, and shadows. Okay, let's see. I choose video scopes, and then I choose I want to waveform. I want waveform to be here. Okay, let's do something with this picture. I want highlights to be upper, and I move this checkpoint. I want midtones to be a bit down, and shadows a bit down. Maybe so something this. Okay, let's watch without these settings and with these settings. Okay. Contrast. We have contrast here. We can change it. This contrast is linear contrast. White colors go upper, and dark colors go down, and contrast increasing. Contrast is increasing when we change this point. Let's watch what we have. You can see in this picture I want contrast to be a bit more, maybe 1.04. Okay. With these settings, we can change all colors of our picture, and change those colors to the, for example, to the red colors, to the all colors, to the black, to the blue colors, to the red colors. Let's change this scope to the vector scope, and we can see colors of our picture here. And if I change hue, I rotate all my colors on the color circle, and as you can see, all colors of my picture change, and they go to the, for example, to the red, to the blue. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Do you need these settings, or maybe you don't need? But it's good to have these settings here. And of course, we can change saturation, increase or decrease this setting. And I think I will make saturation a bit lower. Okay, it's the great picture. And at the end, we have the grain settings. We, of course, can enable this setting. I'm going to close the scopes to have this picture bigger. And I increase amount of this effect, and as you can see, we have a lot of grains here, and this thing makes your video maybe more older, and okay, but you shouldn't make amount too big. We can change type of grain, maybe a white nose, maybe a blue nose, pink nose. I will choose TV static. Then you can check monochrome or color grain. If you want, you can change blend mode, but you have to try what type of blend mode will be great for your picture. If you see the difference between all that blend modes up to animate, and of course you can change grain mix. It's the more or less will be this effect in your picture. I think that's it. It's a simple plugin, but I think it will be useful for you to know about it. And I hope that you understand all my video. Thank you for support. Please write comments and try this plugin if you liked it. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.